Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Yandere Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 41, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyang. More than a month ago, my sister changed. Mengyang said to herself, well, definitely, she's seeing a different side of Gusing. But she's become softened. Before, she was arrogant and defiant. No, it's only me, in my sight, but her existence is to tease me. Well, definitely, she see that Gusing is really changing. Right now, sorry, Kofana, I did not do it on purpose. Mengyang said, sister, it hurts. Oh, definitely, I really want Gusing to save her. Right now, it seems that Gusing, she was really going to ignore her. But now, she's going to be afraid that I will be hurt, afraid that I will be embarrassed, but I don't want to be. It's our little secret. They broke my sister pudding, and then they have to weigh it to me. Now, Gusing, she's getting angry. But as long as I was this, she couldn't help but come to save me. Well, Mengyang, she was right. Gusing, she will always save her. But right now, Mengyang thinks that Gusing loves her. That's why she's doing it for her. Well, suddenly, since Gusing is getting angry, I know sister, you will save me this time too. Well, definitely, is she going to save her? See, it turns out Gusing suddenly ran away. Gusing said to herself, not again. Now, everyone seems to be surprised. Gusing's running fast. Of course, she really wanted to save her, that's why she was rushing to. Suddenly, Gusing, I will never care about her this time, but looking at her, she was really rushing through to save her. Well, definitely, she is breaking her promise to herself, but Gusing right now, I am a ambitious female supporting girl. I will take her to die. Well, definitely. This is really getting crazy. It's really changing from time to time. Muyang, Suli said that she forgot it all. How could she forget it? She's coming soon, so I'm going to try it out. Could it be that she really fall in love with Suli? Well, let's see. Suddenly, it was Mengyang. She came through Muyang's room. Well, what is she going to do? Why come here instead of saving Mengyang? She come to Muyang. But looking at Gusing at this moment, she was calling Muyang. Muyang, come out with me. Well, she looks really serious, of course. Is she going to ask Muyang to be able to help her? Well, right now, Muyang, she really can't believe it, right? You are her boyfriend like this. I'm almost confident than you. Gusing said to her. Well, definitely, Muyang said. What happened? Now, he got really curious. Come here. Let's get it. Let's get to work. Now, she's going to ask her to help her save Mengyang. Moyang is asking her what's wrong. Oh, definitely, she's not telling her. Do you want to call the police? Call 120 first. Well, Moyang, until now, she was too slow to pick up on what's happening. Gusing, how do you do? Moyang is still in puzzle. She don't know what to do. She don't know that she need to save Mengyang. Well, definitely Gusing. She was really lack on explanations. Hurry up! Now, she pushed her forwards. Looking at Moyang, it seems that until now she don't know what to do. Well, they come into the venue. Moyang is present. Everything will be fine. Moyang right now, until now, she don't know what's the situation. That's why she's asking the girls. Of course, the girl is looking at her. It seems that they're getting angry. Huh? Are you looking for something? Measure your own abilities first. This girl is really serious. I really want to punish Mengyang. Of course, Mengyang right now seems to be surprised. She was expecting that Gusing will come for her. Right now, it was Moyang. My sister didn't come to save me. Well, looking at her eyes, Now she seems to be disappointed. What are you doing? Yang said to all of them. Are you all teasing her? I don't know if this is the one I cover. Well, she seems to be confident on herself, but right now, she really don't know what to do. Yang said, Hey Gusing, why did they tease Meng Yan? I didn't look at the forum at all. Now, she was out of condition. Well, definitely, she was hanging. Sister, are you here? Meng Yan. Meng Yan, it seems that she's getting happy. But for Gusing, of course, it was really a headache. What? Who are you ordering? You want to do well? Oh, it turns out. Yang, it seems that she is workless and can do anything about this girl. Oh, it really makes sense to Gusing. It's like a headache for her. Her plan is collapsing. Only plan B can be executed right now. It was really troublesome for Gusing. See, on what is she going to do? Suddenly, she appeared in front of the girls. Now, looking at her, she is stepping closer to them. Well, definitely this girl must be really surprised by the presence of her. Now, looking at Gusing, why is there a guy who doesn't know what good or bad looking for teasing? I still have to rely on my senior Bilane to control the field. Gusing said to herself, well, definitely, she really needs to guide Moyang. This girl, they're being surprised seeing her at this moment. Gu, please, I remember, this is Gusing's sister. Sorry, we have just a bad eyes. Ha ha, everyone seems to be laughing and also they're scared of her. Excuse me, your sister will definitely not do it, that kind of thing. So let's go to clarify now. Hello, who said you are? Right now, the girl. After talking to her, they really run fast. Of course, they're really scared of her, even though she's trying to stop them. But the girls ignore her and they really run fast. Well, let's see on what she's going to do. Since Gusing, now she's getting angry on Moyang. What did you do just now? Gusing is asking Moyang. You are right. Who made you to admit it? Now she's really getting angry. Well, definitely it was Gusing. Right now, Meng Yan, look at her. Seeing Gusing is going to save her. Now, Meng Yan said to her, I was just scared. Well, definitely. It was really her plan to get attentions of Gusing. Really, it's not useful, none of them. It was new missions released according to the original plot. Please let Meng Yan's bad reputation reach 80 points. Well, definitely. Gusing right now seems to be surprised. Congratulations, you clean up Meng Yan. The progress of bad reputation task has been reduced by 5 points and the current task progress is 15 points. Why it's reduced? There's really hope in this life. Now, it really comes to her senses that the flat is teasing her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!